In this video, we will cover some functions of manual support. Select, add, delete, move supports, select the model, click support, enter manual. Choose the supports in the list. You can also double-click to select the supports. Supports selected turn green. Click eye icon to hide the supports and show anchor points. Move the cursor over to the anchor point and click to delete support. Apply. Click eye icon to check the supports. Click in the blank area to add a blue anchor point. Right-click to generate supports. Press Ctrl key, hold down the left mouse button, click and drag over the anchor point you want to delete. Right-click to delete supports. Click eye icon to check the supports. Press and hold the left mouse button to drag the anchor point and then right-click to move the tip of the support. Moving tree supports, support nodes. Select tree support script. Generate auto supports. Enter manual. Choose the supports in the list. Click Move Bar Support Nodes to adjust the supports. Click to add branches. Pick points and connect to clusters. Create support area. Tango has several marking types you can choose according to your needs. By selecting the brush mark, you can press and hold left mouse button to mark the area. After marking the area, select Create Support Area. Choose the required support type and apply it to generate support. If you want to apply the same type of support to the newly marked area and the current area, mark first, and then choose to add to the current area. Select the support you want to use and apply. Create No Support Area. For surfaces that need no support, you can create No Support Area. Mark Area. Click Create No Support Area. For no support area that you want to adjust, mark the area first, and click to remove the specified area. When generating auto supports, no support area will not generate supports. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video.